Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You open Focus Keeper and begin by choosing a clear goal for this session. Name it so you stay accountable. Select a work interval, 25 minutes is classic, or set a custom length if needed. Once done, pick your break length and cycle count, make sure to enable notifications, and choose a focus sound you respond to. You'll want vibration on if you'll step away briefly. Start the timer immediately and commit to the first uninterrupted interval, resisting app switching. As you progress, handle interruptions proactively. Toggle Do Not Disturb or the app's ambient mode to silence alerts. If something genuine comes up, pause the timer briefly. Avoid skipping cycles unless it's critical, because skipping breaks the rhythm. Use the app's distraction log each time you leave the task so you can quantify interruptions later. Once you return, restart the timer at the remaining time and reset focus on the immediate next task to restore momentum and preserve your productivity rhythm. When you finish the last cycle, stop the timer and review your session summary to see time-focused, distractions, and streaks. Use those metrics to tweak work and break lengths. If you felt drained, shorten work periods or lengthen breaks. Make sure syncing and backups are on if you rely on multiple devices. If the timer misbehaves, restart the app first, verify notification and background permissions, and clear the app cache. Then reconfigure your default settings and resume with a short test session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.